wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here today. My name is Zaidan Muhammad Akram, and today I will talk about my topic, how technology has changed modern classroom. We are now living in a remarkable era where technology has reshaping every aspect of our life, and education is no exception. The modern classroom has evolved from a traditional setting into a dynamic learning environment thanks to the integration of technology. Today, I want to explore how these changes are impacting students, teachers, and the overall educational experience. In today's rapidly changing educational landscape, technology is revolutionizing how we teach and learn. Traditionally, classroom focused on the teacher as the central figure, but technology has shifted the paradigm. Has shifted this paradigm, empowering students to actively participate in their education. You can now see that teachers are encouraged to shift the paradigm of teacher-centered learning to student-centered learning. When a teacher teaches students nowadays, they are trying to explore many ways to teach their student through some more engaging activities, like playing vocabulary games on English class, doing experiments about food coloring in science class, and calculating the area of school fields on math classes. Ladies and gentlemen, there are some key advancements into today's modern classroom. They include personalized learning through adaptive platforms, and is catered to individual student needs. In addition, global collaboration via online tools can connect learners across borders. An example is that schools are now opening more chances to go abroad and visit other schools. No one can deny the role of technology, can he? We all agree that technology also enhances teacher effectiveness, providing access to resources and professional development. Technology also helps improve student engagement through gamification, as I told you earlier, making lessons more interactive and motivating. However, challenges such as digital equity and data privacy must be addressed to ensure all students benefit. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, technology is not just a tool, but a catalyst for creating inclusive, engaging, and effective learning environments. By embracing these changes, we can inspire the next generation of learners and leaders. That is all from me. I hope this can inspire you all. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.